crazy. Wow, wow, look at this, look at this, look at this coming. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Oh my God. Look at this, look at this, look at this.
People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Yo people, wagwan, welcome back to my channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. As usual, people, you don't know, say I drop the latest videos and happenings in Jamaica and across the world, people. And so today we are going to talk about the landslide that happened in Garden Town. And also, people, there's this footage of this lady being, I wouldn't say attacked by the police officer, but them was in an altercation. So that's what we are going to talk about right now. So people, as I said before, there has been a lot of rainfall in Jamaica for the past month. Rain not stop falling on the people. So right now, it's like the ground, it can't take no more water. So Jamaica is having a lot of landslide because up to 2 to 3 weeks ago, we had this young girl that died and also her father that passed away from a landslide that struck their house, people. And in this video, people, like, me not gonna lie, sometimes you really think common sense not common, because I know people that try to get footage of what is happening, but not go so close to it. Not go so close to it, people, because right there, so you have some gentlemen, them just stand up here, so, and you never know where the landslide is gonna happen from, you know, because them a look one side, you know, and all of a sudden the landslide can just come across from a different angle and just sweep them off in the gully, so you don't have to be cautious or know when I do, when I try to record and I get footage, people. Please be careful. Please be careful, my Jamaican people, because as I said, the ground can't take no more water right now. It cannot take absolutely no more water. So what I going to do, people, I'm not going to talk too much. I'm going to show you the clips them of what is going on right now in Garden Town. And it needs urgent attention right now, people. So check out the footage them and make me know anything, people. Alright?
All of them people that were there, so why them not move? Why them not move?
I'm not able to go live, but this is what the road look like at Garden Town. This is immediately after you leave out of village. And it's breaking, it's breaking, it's breaking. And I'm talking about some massive stones are coming down. Aye! Head bar, head bar, head bar, head bar, head bar! All being played out right in front of your eyes. Look at this, look at that, look at that, look at that. Here it comes. You can't see this, you know, because when I go run, I run, you know.
It is coming like crazy. Wow, wow, look at this, look at this, it is coming. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Oh my God. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Oh my God, oh my God.
So yo people, in this next video we have an altercation between a policeman and a Higla people, and we have seen these happenings many times in Jamaica. But right now, due to COVID-19, people, me understand some people might say, oh, she probably have vending at the wrong area and she's supposed to go in the right designated area to go vend for sell her produce. But people, we in a COVID-19 pandemic right now. Fi tell her say go in the market go sell, that is not helping the situation that we are trying to avoid. We are trying to avoid a bunch of people together. So if this policeman see this lady vend in the wrong area, all he has to do is tell the lady to move. Me know say you have some Jamaican people that are unruly and the police go tell them say yo move, then probably start big fuss or whatever. We don't know if this is the case right now in this particular video. But as you can see in the video, big altercation. The lady was saying that every day the policeman come down and so come trouble her. Which me don't know people. As me say, I'm just an outsider looking at this video and telling you what me say and I give you my perspective. And honestly, I think the policeman followed the lady, cause the amount of rain we have fall, we have damage vegetables and produce. Right now the policeman come mash up the woman's stand, mash up her watermelon and thing. Like now she don't have nothing to sell people. Like sometimes you have to know how to diffuse a situation, and this is just my opinion on it. Sometimes you just have to know how to diffuse a situation, cause me not see the point in you going down there a push and a shove the woman. And also the young man, me don't know if the lady's son, but him get a slap across his head, which is to me unnecessary again. You see me people, like sometimes you have to know when, as I said, how to diffuse a situation and make the thing bigger than how it actually is. So check out the video people and leave your comments and let me know what you think about this. Let me know what you think about this people.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out! Bombard! Kuya, kayo pinagsihan ng Jesus! Yan na, pinikim na yung fiyasto. Kuya!